It's a new acquisition and I'm going to show you how fast we need to move. I've got my teams here, I've got the main contractor here who's going to show you why we're going to make the loft space work and why I should buy this property. So just walking into the hallway, and it's the standard template that I always buy, and as soon as one of these opportunities comes available, I need to move super fast. Let me just quickly show you the layout. So that's my contractor over there. We've got a lounge. We're going to knock this all through from front to back, and it's going to be a standard template that we have. Coming into the garden, it looks not the prettiest, but in terms of the potential, I know exactly what we're going to create here. So let me just take you around the back here. Next door neighbours, I've evaluated what the neighbourhood's like. I know exactly what I'm buying. And if you look here, we can immediately go into the loft. And then on the left-hand side, that light brickwork there is a first floor extension, which is this grey roof area here, which we're going to go for planning permission and get an extension approved. And the reason that we're going to get it approved is because we've got established one next door, and that sets precedent for me as a developer to challenge the council. Coming upstairs, I've got my architects here now. They're doing a survey, measuring up. One of the really important decisions that we had to make. So we've got 3 rooms here, one there, one on the left, and one behind us. Now, remember downstairs in the garden, I said that we could extend that wall there. We will have another hallway here, a bedroom behind there, and then this will be the bathroom. And then we've got 2 further bedrooms over there. Now, a really important consideration for us, is going into the loft. And we've been up there, and what we've done is we've made sure that we've got enough height in that loft to be able to create a loft conversion. So contractors here, we've gone through all of the measurements, the potential design, the considerations, and how we can make this happen. So let me pass you over to Danny, and we're going to quickly go through all the measurements and how this is going to work out.
The existing height, so when I went into the loft area, it's from underneath existing ridge timber to under existing floor timber. We got at the moment 2100. What does that mean? We have 2664 on the first floor level, which is this one. We're gonna strip out all the existing level, all the existing ceiling out, completely out. We're gonna speak with the structural engineer to use steels, slim steel, which is only 100 mil by 100 mil.
Okay, just tell me a little bit, what's those slim steels? So this is the original steels here, right?
Yeah, but when you put 203, what does that mean? It's 200 millimeter. We're gonna lose the height, which I don't like to lose the height. So what does that mean? We put, instead of 3 number of steel, which usually people, the structural engineer do on the loft, we're gonna put more numbers of the slim one. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why we need 6? For one reason, because the span of the joist timber, because the joist timber is going to reduce to 100 mil only, don't need to be long distance because it's not allowed for bending and for resisting. So it's going to be more steel just to save the height.
That's across the floor, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
So then we are 2.1, but
height.
Because at the moment,
height.
which is good, is a standard loft. But because we have 2664 on the first floor, I'm gonna drop the ceiling another 100 mil.
Okay.
Then it's become 2564 that ceiling, and we save another 100 mil on the loft, which instead of 2.1 is gonna be 2.2, which is like everyone.
Very good height. That's similar to what we're doing at the moment. Okay,
yeah,
good.
2.2 meter. So I think it's okay. Then we create one dormer at the back, like people do on the loft conversion. And then we create another dormer, the double dormer, like we done on the other project, to make another room. So it's going to be double dormer, and I think it's going to be.
Can I get 2 bedrooms and a bathroom up there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's what I want. Okay, 2 bed, and then this one here we do the same thing. Master bedroom, walk-in wardrobe.
Yeah.
and
Same,
an
exactly
ensuite.
the same. We copy the same.
Okay,
same,
okay,
same,
okay,
same.
good.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. So my question to you is, shall I buy this house?
I would say yes, 100%.
All right, good.
Yeah.
All right, that's what I need to know. Here we are downstairs, and architects are here doing a survey, measuring up in terms of all of the rooms, the gaps, the hallway, the chimneys, the clearances, and let me just show you a little bit of the measuring up that they're doing as well. Now it really boils down to numbers and viability for me and my investors. So first and foremost, most of my investors are from Singapore, Malaysia, the UAE and the UK. And what they do is they trust me as their joint venture partner on acquisitions like this, where I've got deals like this landing in front of me, and it's only a select few that I'll jump on. And when I do jump on them, I'm here straight away. I know exactly what I'm going to do. I know how much it's going to cost me to remodel, refurbish and develop this house, and I know exactly how much I'm going to be selling it for. Last transaction on this road was $1,050,000, and we've got to beat that, and we're going to be aiming for a new record price for this road. In terms of the time it's going to take us to complete this project, we've got to make sure we've got an 18-week challenge ongoing at the moment, and with the same template model, the same design, the same build, it's going to be the same 18 weeks. So stay tuned. Make sure you share, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. With that said, Monty Nawaz out. Take care.